cancer, one of the most feared words in the world today. According to global health organizations, millions are diagnosed every year, and though modern medicine continues to improve survival rates, prevention remains far more powerful than cure. And here's something interesting. Your kitchen might be holding one of the biggest shields your body will ever have. Vegetables. Not supplements, not mystery herbs, not expensive potions. Plants that grow from soil, packed with natural anti-cancer compounds that science has been studying for decades. Today, we'll explore the most powerful vegetables supported by research, how they work inside your body, what compounds they contain, and the best way to prepare them, so you can make them part of your daily defense system. This is not just food. This is biology in action. This is nutritional chemistry. This is nature's cancer protection package. Buckle up. How vegetables fight cancer inside the body. Before we list the top cancer protective vegetables, you must understand one thing. Cancer doesn't happen overnight. It happens slowly, silently, and in stages. Cells mutate. DNA gets damaged. Inflammation rises. Free radicals attack. Tumor growth begins. Vegetables help stop cancer by working on 5 major biological battlegrounds. 1. Preventing DNA damage. DNA damage is the spark that begins cancer mutation. Many vegetables contain compounds that protect genetic material, helping cells repair instead of mutate. 2. Fighting oxidative stress. Free radicals attack healthy cells. Vegetables rich in antioxidants neutralize these molecules and reduce cellular damage. 3. Reducing chronic inflammation. Inflammation is one of cancer's favorite environments. Anti-inflammatory vegetables help calm the immune system when it's overreacting. 4. Blocking tumor growth. Some vegetables contain compounds that directly slow down, sometimes even interrupt, the signaling pathways tumors use to grow. 5. Supporting detoxification. The liver is your natural detox factory. Vegetables high in sulfur and fiber help your body remove toxins, hormones, chemicals, and carcinogens more efficiently. Think of vegetables as DNA bodyguards, free radical fire extinguishers, inflammation silencers, tumor growth blockers, detox assistants. Now that we understand the mission, let's talk about the warriors, the most powerful cancer-protective vegetables. First on the list, broccoli. This green tree-like vegetable has one of the most researched anti-cancer compounds ever discovered in food: sulforaphane. This compound activates your body's own detox enzymes and protects cells from DNA mutation. Studies also show broccoli compounds help reduce cancers including lung, prostate, colon, breast, and digestive cancers. Key broccoli compounds: sulforaphane, indole 3-carbinol, fiber, vitamin C, beta-carotene, selenium. How it fights cancer: helps DNA repair, boosts detoxification, reduces inflammation, may slow tumor development. Best way to prepare broccoli for cancer protection: do not boil it to death. Heat destroys sulforaphane. The best preparation methods are steam for 2 to 3 minutes only. Eat raw in salads, blend into smoothies, or stir-fry quickly. Broccoli sprouts contain up to 50 times more sulforaphane than full-grown broccoli. Next, cabbage, another member of the powerful cruciferous family. It contains compounds that help your body prevent estrogen-driven cancers and break down carcinogens in the liver. Cancer-fighting compounds: indole 3-carbinol, isothiocyanates, anthocyanins in purple cabbage. Sulfur compounds: fiber, how it helps balance hormones, aids detox pathways, encourages cancer cell self-destruction, apoptosis, reduces colon cancer risk through fiber. Best preparation: raw in salads, fermented as sauerkraut. Light steaming. Fermented cabbage increases anti-cancer benefits by feeding the gut microbiome, which strengthens cancer defense. Now we move to one of the strongest natural medicinal vegetables of all time: garlic. It contains allicin. When garlic is crushed or chopped, allicin is formed, and it has strong antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-tumor properties. Garlic targets stomach cancer, colon cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, prostate cancer. How it works: reduces DNA damage, fights infection-associated tumors, reduces tumor blood supply, angiogenesis. Supports liver detoxification. Best preparation. Important. Crush or chop garlic and wait 10 minutes before cooking. This allows allicin to fully form. Then you can add to soups, light sauté, mix into sauces, or eat raw with honey, jarred lemon. Garlic's close cousin, onion, is another major cancer defender. It contains a strong flavonoid called quercetin, which studies show can help reduce tumor growth and inflammation. Compounds: quercetin, sulfur compounds, vitamin C, fiber. How it helps: reduces oxidative stress. Anti-inflammatory. Supports immune response, may reduce prostate and colon cancers. Best preparation: raw when possible. Light cooking, avoid deep frying. Carrots. Carrots contain beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A, critical for cell communication and cancer protection. Compounds: beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin A, falcarinol. How it helps: helps maintain healthy cell signaling. Antioxidant protection. Supports lung cancer defense. Encourages immune response. Best preparation: light steaming actually increases beta-carotene absorption. Eat with healthy fats: olive oil, avocado, nuts. Kale. Kale is one of the most nutrient-dense vegetables on Earth. It contains both fiber and antioxidant compounds that help protect cells. Compounds: vitamin C, Ka, fiber. Lutein, beta-carotene, sulfur compounds, chlorophyll. How it helps: protects DNA. Detox support: high antioxidant activity, helps block carcinogens from activating. Best preparation: massage raw kale with lemon to break down fibers. Blend into smoothies. Light steaming. Spinach. Spinach contains chlorophyll, which may bind carcinogens before they harm cells. Nutrients, compounds, chlorophyll. Lutein, vitamin C, folate, fiber. How it works: helps block carcinogen absorption. Antioxidant support: helps DNA replication remain healthy. Best preparation: do not overcook. Combine with garlic/onion for synergy. Tomatoes. Tomatoes contain a powerful anti-cancer carotenoid called lycopene, which is not destroyed by cooking. Actually, heat increases its absorption dramatically. Targets: prostate cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer. How it helps: acts as strong antioxidant, reduces tumor signaling pathways, protects prostate cells effectively. Best preparation: cooked as tomato sauce or soup. Combine with olive oil for best absorption. Cauliflower. Cauliflower offers similar protection to broccoli and cabbage. Compounds: sulforaphane, less than broccoli but still significant. Indole 3-carbinol, glucosinolates, fiber. How it helps: detox and DNA protection, reduces inflammation, encourages cancer cell death. Best preparation: steaming. Roasting lightly. Raw rice cauliflower salad, bell peppers. Bright-colored vegetables often carry major antioxidant power. Bell peppers contain far more vitamin C than oranges. Nutrients: vitamin C, beta-carotene, capsanthin, fiber. How it helps: reduces oxidative stress, supports immunity, protects cellular DNA. Best preparation: raw or light sauté, Swiss chard. This underrated leafy green contains betalain pigments, antioxidants, and minerals. Compounds: betalains, vitamins A, C, K, fiber. Benefits: antioxidant protection, detox support. Why vegetables are more effective than supplements? Supplements isolate compounds. Vegetables deliver compounds in full context, along with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and thousands of supporting phytochemicals science hasn't even named yet. You want the best protection from cancer? Build an environment where cancer cells struggle to survive, not by starving your body, but by flooding it with plant compounds that protect, repair, detox, and defend. The most powerful anti-cancer strategy may not begin in the hospital. It begins in the soil, on the farm, in the market, in your kitchen, on your plate. Because food is not just calories, food is information, and vegetables send the message your cells need: protect, repair, detox, stay healthy. If you learned from this, share it with someone you care about, because the best war against cancer is the one you never have to fight. Stay healthy, stay nourished, Stay protected.